In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up auto refresh in Mozilla Firefox using a browser extension. This is useful if you are monitoring a page, waiting for updates, or tracking changes in real time. Let's begin. Open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. Scroll down until you find settings, and on the bottom left corner, click the extensions and themes. Now all I have to do is super simple. Okay, let's try to search some auto refresh here in Mozilla Firefox. Press enter, and as you can see, we have like 300 plus results. And what we can do at the moment is I'm gonna use this one because it is a Mozilla add-on. I'm gonna click on it and click the add to Firefox. Okay, so you also have the option to control more settings if you allow extension to run in private windows. Click the add button, and of course, auto refresh was added. Click on OK. Now, thing is, go to the cookie icon here and click the auto refresh to open the extension, and you have the ability to set the auto refresh intervals. Okay, so for example, we can put in 69 as the start, and basically that's how you set the refresh interval. Click the start or click on stop, it's up to you. Now the tab will refresh automatically based on your time you selected. Okay, and you can stop or change again the interval right here if you wanted by clicking the extension icon again. But be careful with very frequent refreshes because it has a trigger rate limits and it can get your IP temporarily blocked. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video on how to set auto refresh in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.